Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I'm here to help you achieve your affiliate marketing goals. Today, I'm going to show you how to make instant commissions on Autopilot. Yep, you heard that right. Making $25, $75, $100, even $300 with 100% instant commissions. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about what instant commissions mean. When you make a sale, you get paid immediately. No waiting weeks or months, you get your money right away. Imagine waking up and seeing your account balance grow overnight. Sounds amazing, right? So how do you get started? The key is to choose the right affiliate programs that offer these instant payouts. Programs like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank are great places to start. They have tons of offers that pay 100% commissions directly to your PayPal or bank account. Now, let's get into the strategy. To make money on Autopilot, you need a system that works for you even when you're not working. This is where automation tools come in. Tools like email autoresponders and sales funnels are game changers. They automate the process of capturing leads, following up with them, and closing sales, all while you're off doing whatever you want. Here's a quick step-by-step roadmap to get you started. 1. Look for products that solve real problems and have a good track record. 1. Use tools like ClickFunnels or lead pages to create a landing page, thank you page, and follow-up emails. 1. Use free methods like social media and blogs, or paid methods like Facebook ads and Google AdWords. 4. Set up your email autoresponder to send out pre-written emails that promote your offer and build trust with your audience. And that's it. With these steps, you can start making those sweet instant commissions on Autopilot. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. Keep testing and tweaking your strategy until you find what works best for you. So, are you ready to take action and start making money while you sleep? Click the link below to watch the second video of List Infinity, the email marketing system. Again, I'm Jaquan Moultrie, and I'm here to help you crush your affiliate marketing goals. Stay hungry, stay hustling, and let's make those commissions roll in. Catch you on the other side.